So today we keep solving our physics subject GRE, and we start from 62, and hopefully we can uh, pass this 5 questions. So 62 asks about one molecule of ideal gas has initially a temperature T0 and the volume V0 and the blah blah blah. And the important thing is ask about it undergoes a reversible isothermal. So isothermal means that T is constant. So the formula we have is PV equals to RT. So the work is PdV, which is RT over V from V naught to V1. This is T naught. So we have R over T naught log V1 over V naught. Nice. So answer is E. 63, which of following is the arrangement of isolated thermodynamic system of maximum probability? Okay, so the answer is D. No spontaneous change occurs. Okay, so this is somewhat like common sense that because if you the isolated thermodynamics get to a maximum probability, then you will become like equilibrium. So no spontaneous change occurs. If there is a spontaneous change occurs, then that means it's not the maximum probability. Okay, so 64. Basically, you already know the electric field. And the worst case a non-zero constant, which the following is true. The first choice there is a time varying magnetic field. Actually, we don't know. B said that there is a charge density in the region. So remember the Gauss law. So we can do the divergence of E. What we get is K. So which K is non-zero? That means the current density is non-zero. So the answer is B. And C, D, E are nonsense. So you don't have to care about it, because all you need to know is the Maxwell equation. Okay, so 55. 2 points charged with large Q, and there's a small minus Q here, and ask you about the frequency, angular frequency. So basically, all I will do is I will first find the force, and then once I find force, I write the force as the small perturbation, some constant times small perturbation. Suppose that F equals to kx minus kx, then I can get this k and write it T equals to pi over m over k, or omega is called k over m square root. Okay, which we can use this way and solve the find the answer. Okay, so let me do it. Right, so suppose this is x, this is r, and you have basically you will this q will attract it. So basically your force is to the electric field. Basically is q over. So once you use L to the L square. Okay, so L square times the cosine theta. Cosine theta is x over L. So F is equals to QQ over 2 pi epsilon naught L to the cube x. Okay, so this is the small constant. But one would say that this is actually not constant, because L squared is R squared plus X squared. But since we know X is small, so L can be just approximate to R. So the constant is QQ over 2 pi epsilon naught R to the cube X. So this is the constant we want. So the omega is just QQ large Q times small q divided by 2 pi epsilon naught R to the cube times m. Okay, Okay, so which one is the answer? The answer should be E. Okay, 66. 66 says that there's a thin uniform steel chain. So basically, you have a chain. He said what? 10 meters, right? 10 meters. And 20 kilograms per meter. So total is 20 kilograms. And one end of the chain is attached to a horizontal axial have the radius most compared to length of that if the chain initially hangs vertically. So vertically, and what you want to ask is how much work do you do when after that the length the string is basically here. So you just small put it down and become here and ask about the work you did. This is easy that you don't have to do any integration. All you need to do is the work is just the change of the potential. So the mass is 20 and G is 10. H, what you need to use is the mass because this is uniform. So what you need to use the mass, the center of mass. So the answer is 10,000 joule. 10,000 joule. So which one? Answer is C. Answer is C. Okay, I think it's enough for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.